Are you interested in making between $500 to $1,500 every single day? If yes is your answer, this episode is for you. Hi, welcome back to the Founder's Diary. I am Emmanuel Umor, the founder and the host of this podcast, and I'm also a serial entrepreneur with a couple of other businesses. And I spend my time trying to share knowledge around AI, what founders are building, and how you can actually be part of this revolution that is going on in the AI space. And I do that by simply sharing with you what I am doing, what my friends are doing, and what people in my community are actually doing on a daily basis. And today I'll be showing you a framework that is becoming a very easy hack for you to make a couple bucks every single day and kind of live a comfortable life. If that happens to be you, this episode will really excite you. It's going to be short, actionable, and very realistic. So without wasting time, I want to say welcome to the podcast. And if you haven't followed already, please hit the subscribe button. We realize that most of our viewers don't really know they are not yet subscribed. So please check that out for us. And thank you so much. Let's jump into it. All right, welcome back. And I'm not going to spend much time on this. I'm just going to take you down to my screen and show you exactly what we are going to be doing with this one. And take note, this one, we are also using the opportunity to test the newest feature or newest agent on Replit, the Agent 4 that just came out. And we want to figure out how we can actually also use that to make money just the way most people have been making it in our community. So let's go. So the first thing you want to do here is to get yourself an Instagram account, preferably maybe create a new account, because I know Instagram can allow you to create up to 4 accounts under one email. So just get yourself a brand new account and make sure you have your image there just for that level of trust to be there. Have your image and maybe post a couple of videos or a couple of posts on your channels, so that when someone shows up on your channel, they kind of find that familiarity that they are interacting with a human being and not just a robot or someone trying to scam them, all right? And the key thing here is we are looking for small business owners who don't have a website, all right? Or they have a website, but it's a terrible website. The key thing here is for you to try to make sure you are looking for people within your vicinity so that it's kind of a bit easy for you to relate to the problems they are trying to solve. So for me, I'm going to say salon in Toronto. All right. Let's just take it a bit down. Let's niche it down. Best nail salon in Toronto. We can do something like that, and we hit it to go out. Now we're going to be filtering everything we are going to be seeing here. That's what you need to understand. Now you're going to see a lot of different channels. So your job right now is to just go one by one. All right. Even though you can actually automate this right now with Claude, but the first step is for you to go one by one to the account. So this is what I will do. We want someone who is actively doing a particular thing in their niche, and that gives us a signal that they are serious about trying to grow. Okay, that's what we are looking out for. Let's just go back. Let's search again. Let's say nail salon Toronto. Let's just go with that for now and see what we have. So we still have these guys showing up, and I want to check out these guys. I think Savage Lounge. Good. Savage Lounge are into making hair. Let's check out their profile real quick to see what's happening there. Okay, they have a link tree. Now what I want to do is that we are going to look out for that link tree to see if they have a website link to it. That's what we are trying to do. Okay, they don't have a website link to it. All right. Savage to Instagram. Okay, launch website. Okay, good. They have a website. So we just look at their website and figure out, is there something we want to improve? If their website is not really looking good, is there something we can actually sell them to? All right. But the best sweet point is actually find those businesses that doesn't have a website. If you find those kind of people, you're good to go. Okay. But I'm going to use this for example purposes so that we can move forward. Let's say they have a website and I feel like this website is not good enough. This is fine. I can see that they are really active already, doing big things. That's nice. But let's assume this business was not having this kind of beautiful website and we wanted to add something to this website, copy their URL. All right. Then what I will do is the process will be a bit different, because I will take it to places like Cloud Co-op. Cloud Co-op will help me analyze the website, break it down, give me areas that I can improve, and I will just move with that data to the next stage. But because I don't want this video to be too long, you have the brief of what we are trying to do here. I'm just going to go now with that website alone. All right. And we want to use this opportunity to test what Agent 4 can do on Replit. Just in case you don't know, Replit is a no-code platform where you can actually build websites and even build automations, animations, and cool stuff like that. So if you've been hearing of vibe coding, vibe apping, and all those things, you can do them on platforms like Replit. I am not sponsored by Replit. I hope to be sponsored someday, but that's a tool I've been using for a very long time. So I feel they are good. Okay, so we are now on Replit. I'm just going to click the website button and say, I will paste the website link, and I will say this to the agent. I will say, analyze this website and rebuild it with better animations and hero sections that will speak to the buyer's emotion. The prompts for this are normally way longer than this, but just for this, I just want you to know I'm going to use the plan mode. I want you to kind of plan and come up with what it's going to do first. Then let's hit it, and it's beginning to plan now. We watch it plan, and we're going to get back to it after that. So we clearly see it has finished planning, came up with a task list, task plan of what it's going to do. I'm not going to go into the whole detail of reading all of that. Just going to hit start building, and let's observe what it comes up with after the build, and I will get back to you on that. So after working for about 8 to 10 minutes, it has finally come up with something cool. So I think this is a beautiful work. Given that short prompt that we gave it, let's see it on preview to see how it is. All right. Okay. I think I love it. Just have a couple of few things that would definitely tell the agent to touch, but I think I love what it did with the animation. Wow. There's a little bit of lag there. Oh, you see all this, it did it on its own. Now, with a proper prompt, we'll now be able to bring in a lot of images and possibly have a salon image on the hero session here on the background as an overlay. Then every other thing looks pretty cool. For a first shot, if we start working on this, then it's going to be cool. So without wasting much time, here's the hack around all of this. Let's assume that this business owner didn't have a website, but we've seen their content. We analyzed their Instagram account, and we come up with a style of website we want to build, and we just dump it to Replit like this. Okay, build this website and make it extraordinary. All right. And it went ahead and it builds it. What we need to do now is to go back to Instagram, follow them, pay attention to this, follow them, possibly. Then after following them, go ahead to like 3 to 4 posts of theirs that they have. Then you shoot them a message. Let the first message be something like, hi, I see what you're doing. I really love what you guys are doing. I think you guys have so much professionalism when it comes to what you're doing. I totally love it. Guess what? Everybody loves to be praised. So because of that, they are going to respond. Now, the reason we are just doing that is for them to respond, because the moment they respond to you, Instagram automatically move your message mostly to their primary inbox. So now you're having a heart-to-heart conversation with them. Now, the next thing you are going to do after that is, well, I noticed that you guys have a website, but it kind of looked too old. So I took the liberty to actually build something new. I would want a 10 to 15 minute call with you to just show you how the website is. You don't have to buy it or anything. If you don't like it, no problem. Guess what? A lot of them will jump on that call because the commitment is almost zero. They will jump on that call to see what you've built, and most of the time they will buy it. So that's it. You start selling it at $500 per website. You scale it from there. That is the hack. You don't need to overthink it. All right. So this will be the end for today's episode. We have explored one route on how you can start making money this week. Tomorrow, if you go in and start implementing this, the systems are there. You can do this on Lovable. You can do this on Replit. You can do this on Cloud Code, whatever you want to do it. If you want me to actually show you how we can actually do a bigger version of this on Cloud Code by even using different plugins and automating this entire process, drop Cloud Code in the comments and we'll do a video explaining that in detail to show you how we can actually do that. So without further ado, I will see you in the next episode. But don't forget to subscribe. And if you are interested to learn more about Cloud Code, about stuff like that, I have a video I'm going to be linking up here that I just did on Cloud Codes and their skills and how you can actually use their skill to gain superpowers. Try to watch that and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.